Got a 2007 Grand Prix. Have no injector firing, no injector event, and then when we toggle at the ground, actually this has a little bit of a vent right now. It's doing something. Tap that to ground. Real fast, yep. Okay, let go. We can bring the injector driver back to life in a PCM by toggling the ground. So this thing is firing, running smooth right now. And we have an injector pattern. This is fuel injector number 6, was it? Yep, yellow and black. This is using a Uscope today. Just trying to verify everything's good. We're losing this injector driver, and I'm tied in here. We're back probing the fuel injector control circuit at the PCM, and we have a pattern. I want to make sure this thing just mysteriously vanished. This pattern went away and it started missing. And I was just totally shocked by toggling, just tapping the ground. This is very backyard mechanic. I just tapped it there to make sure that I could control the injector. And I was showing off the scope how we could see the pattern when we toggle ourselves, and the computer came to life. So this driver is just going bad. I'm going to run this. I'm going to stop the camera. I'll start recording again when it's missing and show you guys again. Hey guys, as we were waiting for this vehicle to act up, we were using a scope, testing other circuits. A student was asking some questions, so we were just working on other circuits on that vehicle, and then it started missing again. So if you look at the scale, you're going to see that what 12 volts was is much lower because we were messing around with other circuits and adjusting settings on the scope, just so you got a heads up on that. Okay, I think it took maybe about 4 or 5 minutes of running. I don't know if you can tell, but this thing has got the shakes. It's got a misfire, definitely missing right now. Pretty hard to tell on camera, I believe, but it's definitely rough running. Does not feel good. And here is our injector pattern. If I tap in here, I've just tapped onto that circuit so I can toggle this to ground real easily. Here we go. Toggle at the ground, and all of a sudden the injector pattern comes back. So we got a driver in a PCM taking a dump on us. Very interesting. I never got to see the chance to wake one up, but this was a great example of how using a scope just gave us a little more insight than just using a multimeter or a test light or just a noise light, because I don't know that with a noise light we'd see that little tiny spike going on. Guys, if you have a piece of equipment, you need to use it, to learn what good looks like, so you're more comfortable using it all the time. I'm running into too many places that have equipment and they don't use it all the time, except for when they have a bad car, and that's not the time to learn how to use your tooling. If you want hands-on training brought to your shop, reach out to me via Facebook or LinkedIn or YouTube. Guys, have a great day.